Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss more 10 questions which can be asked in your campus recruitment exams. These questions are from almost all topics. The questions are from quantitative aptitude only. Those who are new to this particular channel, don't forget to watch yesterday's video. In yesterday's session also, I discussed 10 questions of aptitude. So every day you will find such session in which some questions of logical aptitude and quantitative aptitude is discussed, which is very much helpful for your upcoming campus recruitment exams. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start. This is the first question in front of you. So the average of five quantities is six. The average of three of them is 4. What is the average of remaining two numbers? So this question is on average. So average of first, what is given? Average of five quantities is 6. It means that the total of five quantities is 5 multiplied by 6, that is 30. Now out of this 5, the average of first 3 is given and the average of first 3 is 4. So if you take the total of these 3, 3 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 12. So if you subtract 12 from 30, you will left with 18. Now 18 is a total of two numbers. And if the 18 is a total of two numbers, then the average of those two numbers will be equal to total divided by number of numbers. So 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So 9 is the answer of this particular question. So this is the question on average. Let us try to solve next question. A, B, C distribute rupees 1000 among them. A and C have 400 rupees and B and C 700 rupees. How much does B have? Now, what is the first equation given? From the given information, what we can say, A plus B plus C, that is equal to 1000 rupees. Now, what is the second information given? A and C have 400 rupees. So we have this equation, A plus C is equal to 400 and B plus C is equal to 700. Now we want to figure out the value of C. C we want to find. Now if you add this both equations, so what you will get? A plus B plus 2C, that is equal to 1100. Now what I am doing now, this is the equation I got, A plus B plus 2C, that is equal to 1100. And we have this first equation, that is A plus B plus C, that is equal to 1000. So what we are going to do now, we will subtract these both equations. If you subtract these both equations, so what will happen? This A will get cancelled, BB will get cancelled. 2C minus C is C, and that is equal to 100. So how much does C have? C have 100 rupees. Okay. So sometimes आपको इक्वेशंस जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है उससे आप इक्वेशन बना सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A full milk glass weighs 2.5 times than the empty one. So see, from this particular statement can be written in this form. Okay, a milk glass a full milk glass is equal to 2.5, that means 5 by 2 times of empty one, empty glass. Now, if the glass of milk is 250 grams, now this glass full of milk is 250 grams, so 250 is equal to 5 by 2 multiplied by empty glass. Now we want to find the weight of empty glass. So if we simplify this, so what we will get? 250 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. So this is the weight of empty glass. Simplify this. This will be 50. 50 multiplied by 2. This implies the empty glass weighs 100 grams, which is your option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Next question. X is younger than Y by 3 years. X is younger, means X छोटा है Y से. कितने साल से? 3 साल से छोटा है. Okay. And the product of their ages is 180. Find their ages. Now, first of all, go for that option only which gives you the product of two numbers as 180. ओके डेफिनेटली 16 और 12 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन 180 नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इन दिस प्रोडक्ट द यूनिट प्लेस इज 0। तो 16 और 12 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन 2 से एंड होगा। 14 एंड 12 ऑल्सो नॉट, प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 180। इनका प्रोडक्ट होता है 210। So this is also not my answer. My answer has to be option number one. That is 15 and 16. So 15 must be the y, age of y, and 12 must be the age of x. So x is 3 years younger, छोटा है y से। Now next question. A car covers 300 kilometer at a speed of, at some speed. We don't know the speed. If the speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour, it covers the same distance in 1 hour less. Find the speed of car. Now if you want to do this question very smartly, we know what is the relation for finding time. Time can be found out as time is equal to distance upon speed, distance upon speed. Now we know what is the distance here. In the both cases, the distance is 300. Now ये जो भी speed होगा, my dear friend, you have to select such an option which is exactly divisible by, which exactly divide this 300. 300 को divide भी करेगा और उसको 10 से बढ़ाया, because speed increase by 10, तो भी 10 से बढ़ाने के बाद वो 300 को divide करना चाहिए, and that is only one option, that is option number 50, ऑप्शन नंबर टू, दैट इज 50। और 50 लेके देखते हैं हम। नाउ 20 से भी हो सकता है वैसे, 40 से भी हो सकता है। सो लेट अस टेक दिस 50। अगर 50 अगर मैं ऑप्शन लेता हूँ, आंसर ऑप्शन लेता हूँ, सो हाउ मच टाइम आई विल गेट हियर, 6 आवर्स आई विल रिक्वायर। 300 divided by 50, that is 6 hours. Now, this is first time, this is second time. If I'm increasing the speed by 10 now, so new speed will become 60 kilometer per hour. 300 divided by 60, that is equal to 5 hour. Now, the difference between this timing and this timing is 1 hour. That is what we have given. We required now 1 hour less. So, that is what given. So, your answer is 50. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Three numbers are in ratio 3 as to 4 as to 5. Sum of their squares is 1250. So see, if we assume that three numbers as 3x, 4x and 5x, their square will be 9x square, 16x square and 25x square. Now their addition is 1250. Now if you add this, this is nothing but 50x square is equal to 1250. So x square is equal to, this will cancel out and this will cancel on 25. So what we will get, x square is equal to 25. So x का value क्या हो जाएगा, 5. That's it, sum of the numbers you required. So if you take the sum of this, so 3 plus 4, that is 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12, and you got the same value or the proportionate variable as 5. So 12 5s are 60. So your answer is 60. No need to find the individual numbers. Individual number भी आप निकाल सकते थे। 3 4 5 को अगर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो फर्स्ट नंबर you will get as 15, second number you will get 20 and third number you will get 25. The sum of these numbers again you will get 60 as your answer. Next question, find the sum of this series. Now, look at this series. This is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 99. These are all odd numbers. And again, these are first odd numbers. Up to 99, my dear friend, there are 25 odd numbers. 25 odd numbers. Okay. And always remember, sum of first n odd numbers is always equals to n square. Sum of n odd numbers is nothing but n square. So there are 25 numbers here, 25 uh, odd numbers here. So 25 square, that will be equal to 625. 625 is the answer of this particular question. Since it is not given, so your answer is none of these. So the next question is on profit and loss. A sells a bicycle to B with a 20% profit. Now A is selling bicycle to B with 20% profit. So if you assume that the price for A is 100, he is selling the bicycle at 120 rupees to B. B sells the same article to C with 25% profit. 25% माने कितना होता है? What is 25%? 25% is nothing but 1/4. Now, 25% of 120 is 30. So, C getting that cycle in 150 rupees. If the final selling price of bicycle is 225, find the cost of price of the bicycle for A. Now final selling price था 150 था. So assumption line, this is our assumption line, but actual price is 225 for C. So what is the price for A? So if you cross multiply this, so what do you get? 100 multiplied by 225 divided by 150. So simplify this. 15 ones are 15. Excuse me. This is a 15 square. So this is 150 will be your answer, which is option number 4. Next question. A number is divided by 269 to give us the remainder 75. Okay. Then the same number is divided by 37. What is the remainder? Now look at this. A number, एक नंबर है मान लो a, इसको 296 के डिवाइड किया गया, then the remainder is 75. Now you are dividing the same number by 37. So what will be the remainder? Last time ही मैंने बोला था आपको कि remainder is always less than divisor. Now here, if this is your first divisor, now this first divisor 296 is exactly divisible by 37. So this is 8th multiple. 37 8s are 37 8s are 37 8s are 296. तो इसको exact divide कर रहा है. So your remainder in this case will be the first remainder 75 divided by 37. And if you divide 75 by 37, the remainder will be 1, which is option number 1. So this is a very classic case. I have explained this total concept. So see, do subscribe this channel because there are some concept videos I uploaded recently. So ये कैसे आ रहा है, अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको, तो अगर आपने वो concept वीडियो अगर देख लिया तो पूरी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगा. This is the best way to solve this kind of question. दूसरा तरीका अगर यूज करते हो तो बहुत सारा वक्त आपको शायद लग सकता है. Now, let us take this question which is on ratio proportion. A as to B is 5 as to 2. Find the value of 8A plus 9B as to 8A plus 2B. Now here just plug in the value of A as 5 and B as 2. So what you will get here? 8 5s are 40. So we are just putting this A as 5 and B as 2. So 9 2s are 18. So this is 58. This is again 40 plus 2 2s are 4. So this is 44. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So your answer is 29 as to 22. So in this fashion, my dear friend, we discussed 10 questions here. I hope you like the video. All the questions are of very good quality. They are asked in different competitive exams and aptitude exams. So practice well. If you are new to this particular channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. And again, bell icon press karna mat bhulna, my dear friends. So if any video related to you is uploaded, it is directly come to your notification. So I hope you people enjoyed this particular